Trump is back. So today's video is going to be awesome. So I always come with jam-packed video. And as always, my video starts with what you need to know so that you get to make the decision whether you should stick around and watch to the end or whether you should leave. But I really want you to stay because Uncle Trump, yes, you can call him Uncle. Trump is back. This is what we call Trump 2.0. That was awesome. A beautiful victory fight back. So today I'm going to talk about stocks you can buy as soon as possible to begin to earn money online because that's what I do in this channel. Hi everyone, my name is Julia, and on this channel I talk to you and I teach you and I show you where money is in the stock market so you can begin to invest in those assets. This is the only way you can make your money work hard, emphasis on hard for you. So buy these stocks as soon as possible because Trump is back. So if you stay to the end of this video, I can assure you that you will see the stocks you can buy or you can keep them on your radar, like keep them in your watch list for potential profits. Meaning, I want to show you a couple of things you need to see around the stocks, where you can be looking around and what to expect. I think that is good enough. I think you should stay till the end. So, if this is your first time, hi, welcome to my channel. Here I talk about how to invest in the US stock market. I also talk about how to save money, how to spend money wisely, but majorly we learn how to make money from the stock market. So, do me a favor, please smash the like button, watch till the end, drop a comment for me. I love to hear from you. And please subscribe and share this video. Without wasting time, let's move on. Honestly, this year I thought about setting up something different to help people hit 50 to 100%. So we have this challenge, but it's for our VIP community. So how does it work? Join the VIP community. The link to pay is in the description. We help you set up your savings app, show you how to start savings, set up your investing apps. You learn my favorite strategy, what I call the rinse and repeat strategy. You set up your three pillar stock, you get an early retirement plan, how to pay off debt, and long term plans. So if you're ready, let's go. So let's look at some very important, juicy information that happened, which is very interesting. First of all, you need to know that Trump loves the stock market. Can you imagine? Since they announced him as the winner, the market has been going up. He also loves crypto. Yeah, if you notice, the crypto market has blown. Oh my God. See what happened over the weekend. Bitcoin, aka BTC, ticker symbol. Bitcoin has been doing so well. So you need to have what I call the Bitcoin ETFs or any crypto stocks because yeah, we have crypto stocks that some of them have really made us money. One of them is Coinbase, by the way. If you don't have it, add it as my Jara that I'm giving to you because you're my financial money bestie. Okay, so we also had a Trump meme coin that's been running for this, but I am not looking to buy any of those things. I don't want to buy it. I don't want to encourage you to buy it. It's pure gamble. If you do not understand how to do that kind of trading, please do not put in your money. So let's quickly get into the chart. I want to show us something about Bitcoin. Okay, take a look at this. Take a look at this. See what happened. Bitcoin ran to $109,000, almost 110. This is amazing, guys. And who knows when the market opens in the morning, this is going to be super amazing. And remember, when you look at any Bitcoin stock, you're going to see that they are going to be jumping. Look at this beautiful move here. Let me just take you to the 1 hour. Look at this move. Can you imagine? If you have bought the stock at $240, look at what happened in a space of 4 days or 5 days. This stock has been jumping up to 300. Imagine what's going to happen at market open. So for those of us that got the stock since 165, 170, we've been killing it in the community. And we have other ones like Clean Spark, which you can look into. But I don't know what, I just wanted to show us what's been happening with Bitcoin, and a lot of things are going to happen once the market opens because yeah, Trump has been sworn officially as the 47th president. And the beautiful part of it is that you're going to see a lot of stocks run, but be careful. There's going to be a correction. They may likely run up, and maybe after 2 days or within 24 hours, the stocks may sell off. That is most likely going to happen. So let's get back to our presentations, the video, so that I'm going to show you some other things. So these are the things you should look out for. Trump has taken office here. We are now in Trump 2.0. He's going to be signing executive orders. There are sectors to benefit under Trump. In his last administration, healthcare did very well. But in this time, I'm looking at energy sector doing very well because he's been talking a lot about energy, that US has a lot of oil and stocks, oil and gas, and they need to look into that. Then, of course, the AI sector has been doing well. I don't think anything is going to stop it. So, what you should be looking at now is where billionaires are investing. And remember, correction is coming. If you do not understand this language, you really need to be in the community because that is one word you need to understand. So these are the three stocks, because I do not want to make this video so long. These are the three stocks that we are looking at. Tesla. Why? Because Elon is properly aligned with Trump. Like, he has even given him a position of office to run, and his stocks are going to run. Tesla is going to run. It's currently around 400 and something. It's probably going to run a little bit back to 400 and probably start heading all the way back to 500. Nvidia is definitely heading back to $150. Palantir, this stock, we started buying it around 18, 19, $20, and we sold it along the line. But this is a stock that I am in fact, I've been picking it up little by little because I know for sure the stock is heading up to 90, $100. Okay, so sticking to our strategy of buy low and sell high, that is why I need you to understand this. So this is what I want you to do. Let's go back to the chart again, and I want to show you Tesla. Okay, so let's look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla or Palantir. Which one comes first? Let me just type them so that to make things easy for us. So let's look at Tesla. Now this is Tesla. It's currently around 430. This particular stock is probably going to head up to 460. And if it touches 460, it's going to touch 488 and most likely going to touch 500. But be careful, this stock may take off tomorrow and then drop back again. So be careful around that. Just look out for all these things I'm mentioning. That would help you very, very well to ensure that you know where you should jump in. So this stock is a stock that if you really want to get in, you have to target between 380 and 400. If you see this stock jump right back into those ranges, that is when you should buy them. All right, because I love to give you some form of direction so you know what you're looking out for. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about is Nvidia. Nvidia has been struggling for a while now, hit 150, and it came down to 129, and it's been trying to make its way back up. Look, guys, this stock is heading back up, but I see it making another attempt into the 129, 130 ranges before picking up again to hit this 150 range and probably cross to 160. This stock, I see it heading to 200 probably later in the year, but it's going to have a lot of corrections as it's making its move up. Of course, if you look back, you'll see that he has been having those kind of moments up, down a little. So whenever there's this kind of move, it gives you an opportunity for you to grab these stocks and do things with them. So look out for these ranges I've mentioned, and you are going to be enjoying yourself. So imagine that you have $100 or you have $150 and you buy this stock at 130 and you ready it up to 150. Now you may think the move is not much, but when you convert $20, it's very reasonable money. You would never get this amount in the bank. Trust me when I say that. Now let's look at Palantir. Palantir has been the love of my life because this is where we started with Palantir when it was 20 thereabout, and we kept riding it and we sold around 40. We were hoping it would come back to 30 or to 20s, and it never did. Look at what happened, 84. And then it sold off, had this correction because he needed to burn off. Okay, it's been running for so long. Look at this beautiful move. and it needed to burn off some steam. So people have been taking profit, and this stock has been coming down. Now it's picking up again. I see this stock getting back into the 65 range, 66 range. There will be a sweet spot to grab it. If it goes lower, beautiful. So if you grab it at that spot, you can ride it up to 80. Once it gets back to 80, it's heading to 90, most likely going to touch 100. So that is something I feel you should look at. You should know what is going on in the stock market and how this week is going to be one of the most crucial weeks, because a lot of things are going to happen once the market opens. Trust me, that's what I said. Watch this video before market open, so it will give you some form of direction. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We made this type of video content to help you to make some money in the stock market, but I would love to have you in the community. And if you join us, the link, if you're interested, is in the description. We also have the lower class, which is just 10,000 naira. So if you do not have up to 50,000 to be in the VIP, start with the basics and get things going. Your money has to work for you. 2025, we're securing the money back. Money has to work for you. I love you. See you in the next video.